Pianosaurus, he plays just for us. We join the chorus. P-I-A-A-O-saurus, playing his scales from his teeth to his tail.
It would take an extinction-level event to stop this late Cretaceous composer.
He's the Pianosaurus, he plays just for us. We join the chorus. P-I-A-A-O-saurus. The fun never ends. Cozy and cuddly, your new best friend, Yarnaby.
I love braiding his hair.
He'll hold you close and keep you there,
He watches over me when I sleep.
protecting your dreams. The fun never ends. Cozy and cuddly, your new best friend, Yarnaby.
Mommy Long was the coolest toy around. You can stretch your legs or hang her upside down. Try to twist and bend her in every kind of way. Now it's time to have some fun. Mommy Long wants to play.
With Playtime Co's new patented elastic plastic, you can stretch, pull, and twist Mommy Longlegs in the craziest ways. She loves watching you play. When you're having fun, she's having fun. The new Mommy Long